guys, welcome to my channel. It's me Sai. I hope you like my video. Subscribe. Today I'm going to pluck cottons. First let me give you how cottons are. So look, this is a cotton flower and when it blooms, and this is a cotton seed. When it blooms we get cotton like here. Now let's start plucking. Look, cotton, this cotton is so soft. Let's go this side. This is a cotton and we can make clothes with this fluffy cotton. And you know, there is a seed inside the cotton, and there so that we can take the seed and then plant so that a new cotton tree will plant. Let's pluck more.